morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, we're gonna start off this vlog a little bit late. My apologies, but we never did think the excavator that works so fast. We had devour a hillside up in the great parishes here. So far so good. Boy, I don't think anything can be fortified enough for the big boss here. Now I see him. So guys, we have great access for these lovely homeowners to go up at them property as they want to come situate themselves on the top of this hill. And my job is to create access for the easeability of vehicles and human traffic. Straight down to where my van is, and the guys are lean up. We start deforest the area, and we got permission to make the access to the road. But it did kind of look something similar to what going over there, so a lot of rocks. We did have to use the hammer for half of it, and for the other parts we use just the bucket. But we'll clear off a good portion of this, so that they can do the topography report to find out how we can put the house. When we know where we're going to put the house, we're going to know if we do with softscaping around the property for access and whatever. For now, you look on rough work. We're going to grade it using the same equipment until it is driven on a couple times. The soil now going to set or settle. See big tree there, so I don't want ever get too close. That's where my high vis the operator can easily see me. As you can see, come with me. I don't know walkie talkie. In the same vlog here, I might put a little part where I have some debris removed from this other side, but never filmed over this before, so don't let more start, you know. Oh, and Jardine there. You have a trucking, I think it's called Jamaican trucking channel. I am responsible to the drone video where I get another video here. So if I don't get it, blame him. If I get it, big him up. Yes, sir. A few hours later, morning again, team Ismash. Day 2. Basically finished cutting out the access here. From morning, pay hammer. It's a 2 day upon this with the big bad machine. All are down there, so we use this compact the road itself, and we tear down the wall up here. So take your time and look what I'm going. put some fuel in that machine. Cause work never stop. I remove some posts over here so as one working space. Care about the road here. Right round the back. A whole heap of stone for bust up, but stone arch enemy. Tough man. Tough enough.
I'm all in it.
Yeah, I don't mean to say whole like a limestone. But it's very hard. If you continue like this going right up, it's rough. Yes, I go take a while. Yeah, I'm going to speed up off here, so, but definitely, yes, I go. This at 2 to 3 hours, just alone. Yeah, man.
Let me just watch what's happening compared to, you know?
About an hour later, still up on the section of rock here. Good morning, team Ismash. Let's go. All of this removed and thrown away. I have to protect the slab like I knew. Yes sir, you know, so manpower I didn't think at first I could have done this. Hail to the north. I didn't know say why they did this so could have full on them here. Nah, lie, it's a 5-ton truck I sent for it first. Man. Yes, sir. Good morning again, Team Ismash. This is expected to be our final day on this site. You can hear a machine in the background. It'll do what it's supposed to do. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on where we reach and what we hope to achieve by the end of the day. So this is the driveway. We come right up in the property, up on the flatter part of the property where they want to do them construction. So we tear down all of this, which is, as I say, rock, limestone, everything hard you can think of exists off here. So all of this is aftermath. after excavation. It is kind of difficult for sure now how it look prior to this right now, as it is full of bush, and I don't know how for sure. And I like the surface is naked, I could have just shown you, yo, I rock the year so, and this and a different plant for the different plant. It is just full of bush, and as all I can do is show you the bush and the rock, and then show you the aftermath. So we come up, enter the property, and this is nice. We come from far. I clean up everything. Wow, so this is basically the back of the property. Property line grow in there, so they have certain trees that they know and drop. Certain trees will take long for grow, and nipper with a row off away for, we kind of leave them, and the other one them we can go, we're gonna make them go. So basically we are almost finished. Him down there so I have a feast with the trees. We stockpile them so they can burn them and not fear draw all sort of things. So we're gonna clean up the place. When I say clean up, I mean complete lift. You know? So yeah guys, this was a quick and fun project. Hope you guys enjoy this video where I show you what go on. I hope you guys call me and give me more things like this where we can create a little movie out of, and yeah, we just have fun, work together, because we're one family, you know, one team. When you watch a video here, we consider you a team member, a family member, and we do these things for a family member with ease from my side and both yours. You don't get no better than this. Team Ismash almost out. I'll go and see what I'm going. On Instagram, a lot of tradesmen link me, and as long as you're good at what you do, you can always send me a DM and send me some photos, and we talk from there. So as a trades person, because I'm a nation builder, believe in growing the nation non-stop. Good morning again, Team Ismash. Today is our final day on site. We're clean up, we're doing our last little site clean up where we are move every little thing will look out of place, in place. As you can see, the assortments of debris, tree trunks, whatever the case might be. All stones may pack up. Let me go over what took place. So you guys saw pure green field at first, or just greenery, trees and things like that, and the homeowners wanted to build their house up on that hill where overlook everything. So I made it possible, where I created access and also space, workability space for the contractor build them house. I created land, so I do a little landscaping, and yeah, I think this far this I come from for sure. I think this is a successful completed project. Right now we are move up some big stone. You have some boulders up here where I know whoever build might have a challenge to move these stuff, so I move it for them from now. You know, free are just a part of the deal. They have it done there, so why not? So I move these stuff, and Just start them, make the place nice, make the place real nice. They wanted the place real nice, so I say, alright, rock we I work with. Rock na normally real nice, but I have a little magic sauce, so I can see what can go on. This is access number 2 up to the rear of the property. All of this did are like trees and like rock. Some people might complain and say, how come they never show we how it look prior to this? It is very difficult for sure, because it did have like trees and rock on top of it and full. I don't think my camera could have picked it up enough for me to have a full understanding how up it. But have a look at over here. So you see this? This is depth that rock we go down into. This is about 6 foot worth of excavation, and you can see kind of consistent go right up. We try to catch a grade, a nice little slope. Hey, we don't want it too steep and we can't make it too deep, because either way the property highest point is up there, so we have to gradually make our way up there. This now, the hill came right across and went down like that. We cut out this farmer benching for the driveway, where you can park your vehicle and all of that. So more landscaping has to be done here, so forget exactly what is what, but for the most part the harder part them do already. And whoever are coming after can just catch it to the level, because all the way I look on a marlin, I dig up all of that and fill it, backfill it. So over there, so backfill, put up a retaining wall for how you want your level, transfer your level across and just spread it to whatever depth you want, and then have to put a retaining wall right up. Down here, so now we have access number 1. This is our first part where we did clear. This now, as you can see, we go down. At that one I was lower. This is no, this one was higher. This was 4 foot. So we go down 4 foot from down here. Here, so did crazy. Big rocks go right up. So this is the grade. The best we could have get it. This is the summit up here. So the highest point, and it never pretty. Upon closing out the day where I will close out this project, it was a pleasure having you guys from start to finish during this project. Let me know if you guys wanted to see the work as it progressed every single day. So once we do this, some of the challenges that we stumble upon whilst we do this, how we go about breaking the rocks, because we don't film everything, but we just show the stages. But let me know if in future videos you guys want to see how we go about it, how we think it out, why we do it that way, why we not do it that way. And yeah,